In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to ClickUp account. By the end, you'll have Zoom connected so you can launch meetings directly from your task in ClickUp, saving time and keeping everything in one place. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your ClickUp workspace and that you also have a Zoom account ready. If you're not a workspace owner or admin, you may need permission to install integrations. Start by opening ClickUp in your web browser and signing in. The desktop browser experience is the smoothest for integrations, and it helps to disable any pop-up blockers for the site, since the connection process may open a new window. Once you're in, look for the More section and Open Apps. Depending on your layout or theme, this might appear in the sidebar or under a settings or menu icon. If you don't see apps right away, try expanding the navigation or using the built-in search to find the apps page. This is where ClickUp lists all available integrations. On the apps page, find Zoom. You can scroll through the catalog or use the search bar to locate it quickly. Click the Zoom app to open its details. Here, you'll typically see what the integration does, such as launching Zoom meetings from tasks or attaching meeting details to comments and descriptions, which is great for keeping context with your work. Next, click Connect. This starts the authorization process so ClickUp and Zoom can talk to each other securely. If a pop-up window appears, allow it. If nothing happens, check your browser's pop-up settings or try a quick refresh. A new window will open, prompting you to log in and approve the connection. Sign in with your account credentials and review the requested permissions. It's important to select the correct account if you manage more than one, and to confirm that the permissions match what you expect for scheduling and launching meetings. After you approve, the window will close automatically or confirm that the connection was successful. Back in ClickUp, you should now see that Zoom is connected. If you don't see confirmation right away, refresh the page. From here, you'll be able to start Zoom meetings directly from relevant tasks, and meeting links will be added where you can easily find them later. If you run into issues, double-check your permissions, ensure you're logged into the right accounts, clear your browser cache, and try again. That's it. Your Zoom and ClickUp are now linked for faster, more organized collaboration.